Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to build credit with secure credit card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build credit with secure credit card. Building credit with a secure credit card is a great way to establish or improve your credit score. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to, I'm going to teach you how to build your secured credit card. So let's go. So right now, number one is choose the right secured credit card. Look for a card with low fees and report to all three major credit bureaus. Preferably, choose a card that upgrades to unsecured card after responsible use. And number two is make a security deposit. So the deposit acts as a collateral and usually equals your credit limit. Some cards allow you to increase your deposit over time to raise your credit limit. And number three, use the card responsibly. Make sure to make small purchases to keep your credit utilization low. Ideally, I've said in the past, because I've been using my own credit card, ideally I use the 30% of my limit. And next is if your limit is 200, keep your balance under $60. Next, pay on time every time. Late payments hurt your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Number 5, keep your credit utilization low. Using too much of your available credit can hurt your score. Aim to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest. Number 6, monitor your credit score and reports. Use free credit monitoring service to track your progress. And number 7, graduate to unsecured card. After 6 to 12 months of responsible use, some issuers may allow you to switch to unsecured cards. This can increase your credit card limit and further boost your credit card score. And the last one is apply for other types of credit. Once your score improves, consider a credit builder loan or store credit card to add more positive accounts to your history. And a quick tip for you guys, a small tip for you guys, always pay in full and on time. So when you pay full and on time, your balance in full before the due date to avoid interest and boost your credit score and keep your credit utilization low. So if you want to try, maybe keep it on the 30s or between 30% or 10% use of your credit. So just play around there. So the lower you get, the best result you will have. And my third tip for you guys, don't close your first card too soon. Keep it open even if you get unsecured card later. The longer your credit history, the better your score. So there. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any more questions about this, just type it down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer. We will be happy to answer you. And there you go. Hope you guys liked the video and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.